Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. So first, weekly time frame, kaka-close lang ng candle. Good news is nagkaroon agad ng doji after this big red candle. So what happened is undecided yung market right now. Possible scenario is kung saan pa rin yung break nito. So it's either above here with volume or below here with volume, and wait pa rin ng pullback for higher probability to confirm yung bias natin. But currently, still sideways yung pinapakita ni BTC. So what happened nga sa technical analysis natin, yung pababang candle na to and pababang volume, sinundan siya ng green na candle since humina yung selling pressure. Let's see if susubok magbasag si BTC.